Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gold rhinestone cut crease makeup look. First, we're going to start with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette and use the shade Eccentric, which is like a dark mustardy gold color. And I'm going to be using this to create the cut crease shape, then going over that again to add some color. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette for the yellow shade, and this is going to be my kind of blending out transition shade above the cut crease. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place Nudes palette for the light gold sparkly shade for the highlight underneath the brows. Next, I'm using some Q-tips and makeup remover to remove any excess eyeshadow on the lids, and going over that with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. You'll want to top this concealer with a translucent powder to set it. Then, using the same shade that we used to cut the crease, we're going to make an eyeliner. But I'm making sure that this wing does not touch the upper cut crease, leaving a little bit of space in between. Next, for the band of gold eyeliner that goes right underneath the cut crease, I'm going to be using the Mayron Metallic Powder, and you mix this either with a mixing liquid or water to turn it into an eyeliner. Next, I'm using gold metallic rhinestones, and I'm putting these just above the cut crease. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping these with false lashes. That completes this gold rhinestone cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.